In this video,
we will learn how to full box someone in Fortnite.
so in Fortnite, if you want to box a player, it is extremely simple. And a highly efficient tactic will be using the wall and the roof. By using just these two builds, you can box any player in the game. In order to box a player, firstly all you need to do is place a wall behind them, then quickly place a roof beneath them. Then both sides you need to place two walls, a roof on the top again, and a wall in front of them. By using this method, you can easily trap in a player in a box like this where they cannot move and you can piece control them easily. So in order to do it efficiently, all you need to do is practice it every day and you do it as fast as you can. So by using this method, you can easily wall a player in Fortnite. And mainly all you need to do is practice this in real games so you can have amplitude of how the player can move and how you can box them in using different methods. So this is how you can easily box in players in Fortnite and kill them and enjoy a good game. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.